I give you kind of a laundry list, but to be fair and also more specific, more practical, give you key takeaways. I recommend you take this away. Take them both, but if if you have less time, read this one because this is my top 5 list. Now it does depend on your business model, so I don't know exactly who it's going to benefit the most. Maybe you can give me feedback or tell me that this one doesn't work and you want one for yourself, and I'll be happy to help. But here's my top 5 list. I actually led with predictive, but I want to be very clear. I mean practical predictive. I don't mean building a spaceship. Please don't build spaceships unless you need it. Now, Amazon needs a spaceship. Amazon needs this massive, best-in-class, predictive model that recommends products to you so that you do what I always do, which is you sign on and they immediately tell me what I want and I click it and I buy it. And they make a lot of money off of that. Netflix. I actually think Netflix, yeah, it's cool, but I'm not sure they're getting as much value as everyone thinks, but we can debate that later. Let's talk about practical predictive. Practical could be just simply saying it's 60% likely that X is correct, rather than not knowing. Practical can be, I've got a marketing budget. I'm going to rank every single person I could send direct mail to. I'm going to rank everyone I could spend $1 sending direct mail to by the time you put postage and print and all that. I'm not going to send it to all of them. I'm going to send it to the top 50%. Or, what Dennis is going to talk about, I'm going to actually systematically analyze what's the point at which the expected response falls below my cost and I'm not going to mail anymore. That's a better mailing. So that's a practical mailing. That's not rocket science. It's based on historic analysis of the attributes of different people who buy. Just as one quick example, someone's more likely to buy a product they don't already have. So if I know whether they have it, that's a parameter in my analysis. Lots of other ones too, but just as a quick example. So just to prove the odds, that's my point. Don't overcomplicate it, and also be careful in what you're using it for. Another example is, let's say that you're on a website and they're just going to recommend a few restaurants. Now that's a nice feature, but customers are not going to cancel their membership unless you recommend a restaurant in San Francisco and they're in New York. I mean, it's like, it's not the highest stakes recommendation. So it's kind of like, a data-driven version of you walking into a coffee shop and saying, where's a burger? Are there burgers around here? So you don't have to over-engineer that. I guess that's my point.